Hello Anjana. Hello Anvita, Adya, Advait, Kanisha, Ved. I welcome you all for today's class. Hi Kirti. Hi Anna. Hope all are ready with your drawing books, your oil pastel colors, your stationery, that is your pencil, eraser, basic things, scale, and a black sketch pen, which we generally use for outlining. And I asked you to get a bowl. It should be of a medium size bowl. Okay. We will use it to draw a circle later on, not now. And I asked you to keep one waste cloth handy with you so that if in case your oil pastels get dirty or if in case they are old ones, we can clean it. I'll teach you how to do that. So be ready with all these things. We'll wait for another 2 minutes and then we'll start today's class. Sudarshan hasn't joined, so I'm waiting for Sudarshan, Gitanvita. The two children will not be coming today, they have informed. So we'll wait for 2 more minutes for two more children to come. If they join, okay. Or else we'll start shortly. Adya and Advit are enjoying. Yeah? Jumping and enjoying. I can see. Nice. Kanisha, your camera, if you can turn on, it will be good. I will be able to see you how you are coloring later on. Okay, children, we'll start. See, last week, what we did. Okay, one more. Person join. Okay, yeah. See, last week we had first class in that we did basics of pencil colors, right? How can we, just I'll spotlight myself. Okay. Last class we saw, right? How can we, there is issue in my camera. Okay, ma'am, but you should be Kanisha, ma'am. Okay. But hope you are able to see me. Okay. Later on, you can share the word. I understood. Okay. So last class we did the basics of pencil color, right? First, sorry, pencil shading basics we did in the first class. In the second class, we used the pencils, only the pencils of different grades to create a scenery, right? Now today's class, it's our first oil pastel class. Like in free classes you would have done, but in paid class, today it's the first class of oil pastel. So I'll be giving you some basics of oil pastel colors. Okay. So first, all of you, you will write a heading in your drawing book. You can use pencil or black sketch pen for that. Okay, now you'll be able to unmute. I wasn't knowing. I just changed the setting now.
Ma'am, so when will it start?
Yeah, now we'll start. Take your pencil. We'll write the heading. I've just drawn a line. On that, we'll write basic merging technique. Okay. I'll write it in capital letters so that you can see it and write BASIC. Basic merging 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 technique. TECHNIQUE. Basic merging technique of oil pastels. As in, then we will be coloring, you will be learning more about it. But little, at least we should know to start with, okay? So, for that sake, I'll just give you little basics of merging. Merging means to mix, okay? How can we mix two colors smoothly in drawing? So that we are going to learn. So to understand that, we will draw few things. We will draw a tree, one cloud, and one sun. And as we color them, I'll be telling you what we are doing and how we are going to merge. The same thing, we will use it to complete the other drawings. Okay, so first we will draw three subjects, that is three things, and then we will color them using oil pastels, and we are going to add 2 colors to 3 colors in each object, and we are going to merge, that is we are going to blend it, or we are going to mix those colors to get a nice gradation effect, wherein there will be mixing of a dark color with a light color in a very smooth manner. Okay, so first we'll draw a tree. So don't draw it very small or else you'll not be able to understand and color the merging. So draw a little big tree color, tree. So I'll draw now. So first I'll draw the trunk of tree. So in the middle of the sheet, keep your drawing book like this. That is horizontal. Horizontal, sleeping mode. So first I am drawing a slightly curved line. All of you must be expert in drawing the tree, right? So little big tree you draw. So this is the bottom portion. That is the trunk of the tree. Draw 2 lines. Start from here, slightly going inside and then coming outside. A curved line, like the on both the sides. Then just draw a V. V for van in the middle. Between these both, draw a right V. V for van. Then close these or join these both ends of line like this. So we are done with the trunk of tree. Now we will draw the crown or the upper portion of the tree so that our tree will be complete. So I'm going to draw small or small big curved lines. Don't draw too small curves. It will be difficult for you to color. So just a very basic tree I'm going to draw. So my tree is done. Okay. On one side, I'll add sun, and on the other side, I'll draw a cloud. So if the place is less on one side, Wherever place is little less, there you draw your sun. Where it is little more, there you draw, that side you draw cloud. So here I see the place is little less. So here I'll draw my sun. So if you have coin or in free hand also, you can draw little bigger, not very small, at least of this size or slightly bigger than this. And then we'll draw the sun rays. I'll wait for you children so that you can finish. Adna, you're drawing. Adya, Advait, you're able to draw. Show thumbs up once you're done. I'll wait for you children. Draw it in pencil. Okay, you people should draw it in pencil first. Later on, you can outline it using the black sketch because you may make mistakes, so you can correct it. If you draw it in sketch pen, that page will be waste. Okay, so draw it in pencil in light hand, and then later on we are going to you are going to outline those things. Okay, so once done, you can show thumbs up so that I'll get to know you are able to draw. Wait, you're done, child? Done?
Ma'am, I am writing the heading.
Okay, drawing is over?
No, ma'am.
Okay, draw. Anvita, you're done? Okay. Anjana, you're able to draw, child? Okay. Arna, finished? Nihara, you're done? Arna is drawing? Okay, Nihara is finished. Adya, Advait, you're able to draw? It need not look the same. Okay, just it should look like tree. Okay, nice, Adya. Draw a sun, draw a circle, and draw sun rays coming out of that circle. Your sun will be done. Okay, then we will draw here cloud. Okay, cloud. For that also we are going to draw curve lines, and we are going to turn those curve lines into a cloud. How we will draw?
Ma'am, everybody knows that.
Oh, nice. But still I will tell you. Okay. So, like a bird, I have drawn. Then one curve towards down. Then again, like this. Depending upon how much place you have, your cloud can be little small or big. Okay. If you finish till here, then take your black sketch and you outline it. Okay. All of you draw till here. Then take your black sketch and outline it. Once all of you are done till here, then we will start coloring and we will learn the merging of colors. Okay. So all of you draw till here, then you outline it using black sketch or dark brown color you can use. If you don't have black sketch or your black sketch is not working properly, in that case you use that.
Ma'am, so can you use dark crayons?
What you want to use?
Ma'am, so can you use pen? So can you use A to P?
For what, child? To outline?
Ma'am, so can you use A to B on the pencil writing to make it darker?
What happens if you use darker pencil for outlining? Later on, no, that pencil as your hand will just go on it, all those pencil graphite particles will come on page and your page will look dirty. That's why we draw it in sketch. Now, even if I put my hand on paper, see the black sketch will not spread. But if you outline it in 8B pencil and you do like this, the page will become dirty. So better to use sketch. All of you do the outline and then show your thumbs up so that we can proceed. Okay, Arna.
Ma'am, I got the trees
Anjana is
leaves.
finished. Okay, wait, do it. Take your time. Adya, you're done, child. Good. Advit, do it. No issues. Anyone still you doing outline? Please open your mic and tell me so that I can wait for you. Or else I will consider all of have done. Anyone still doing? You are doing? Okay, Nihari, you are doing? Okay, do it. I'll give you time. When you outline also, no, try to outline neatly. Take your time and draw it properly. Tanisha finished? I can't see you. You can unmute and tell me. Kirti?
Yes, ma'am, I'm finished.
Kirti, have you finished? You can unmute and tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Ved. You can send me personally that drawing, okay? Take a photo and send me what you are showing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. I think most of you are done. Okay. Now we will learn how to color the cloud. Okay. Now for coloring the cloud, I am going to take two colors. One is white and another I'm going to use blue color. That is a dark blue color. So depending upon your brand, whichever brand you have, from that you take out the darkest shade of blue and white color. Now see, if white color is dirty, it has black color, yellow color struck, what you have to do, you have to take an old cloth and just clean it. Okay, when you clean, see that blue color will go. So any light color when you take, no, if it gets dirty, you will, if your colors get like old and when we don't keep them properly, so they will get dirty, and as we use also they get dirty. So how to clean them? Just take a old cloth, just take the tip of your oil pastel, cover it with cloth and just slightly you just rub on it, twist your color and see the tip of the color get clean. And as your color gets over, slowly you can tear these sheets. Don't tear and make your colors, naked. Just little by little, how much ever required, you remove the cover and use. So this is about how to maintain your colors, okay? So what we will do, we will not add a single color to cloud. First, we will take the dark shade of blue and then Just observe how I am doing. Same way you do. Don't color it. Just in the upper portion of the cloud, I am going to add this blue. Only this much. Like this. Like this. See? It's like we are doing outline using the oil pastel, blue color oil pastel we are using to outline our cloud. Something like that you can think and you can color. Don't color it halfway. Just this much you color. We will merge it using the white color then. All of you do till here. Then we will take next color and I will teach you the technique of merging. Wait for me. Wait for my instructions. Some of you may be knowing it. But just wait for today and see how I am doing. And you also try that way. And then we will see how it works. Wait. Do the coloring. How I
Yes, ma'am.
Adya, do the coloring. All of you done? Okay. Okay. Anvita done? Okay. Okay. Now all eyes on the screen. First observe. Then you color. All eyes on screen. Whatever you have done till there, just halt. Take a break. Just observe. I have taken white color. Your white color should be clean at tip. If it is not clean, just clean it using a old cloth. Just wipe it off. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take the white color and I am going to just color it like this. Horizontally. Like you draw sleeping line, no? Like that. Let the white color glow go on top of blue color also. Little let it go on blue color so that there will be merging. That is mixing of two colors. See, we never use light blue color, but because of mixing of dark blue and white, we are getting a light blue color shade in our clouds. Then use the same white color and cover your entire cloud. If you feel blue color is less, just use your finger and you can just, you need not add a layer of blue. Just you mix it like this and you get a nice effect. See? So this is the first.
Dark blue.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I don't have enough dark blue.
Yeah, you use dark blue and merge using white color. Then in your final cloud, you will have three colors. Dark blue, white and light blue. The light blue color has come because of the mixing of dark blue and white. Okay. So this is first technique of merging wherein we have used white for merging. It's called as white blending also. So now all of you finish your cloud.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. And I want all of you to share your work later on in the group. Okay. In today's class, I am going to observe and just make a note how you're coloring. So make sure you color well. You need to improve your coloring skill. Okay. For that, have little patience and color. After you're done with the cloud, we'll come to the sun. For that, we will take two colors. One is red and another is yellow. red and yellow color. My yellow color is dirty, so I'm just cleaning it, wiping its tip with old cloth, make it clean, and my red color was clean. Shall I start with the sun?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. I am still.
You told once you are finished.
I can't find proper red. I have different red.
Primary red. If you have domes, you will get primary red. Use a color nearby red if you don't have proper red. Okay. So first we'll take red color and we are going to add in this circle at certain places. Anywhere, wherever you want. Just like this. Little strokes of red color you can leave.
I take orange.
Okay. If you don't have, use that. Just take your red and just add few spots kind of thing here and there on sun. 2 to 3 places you can add. Don't add too much of red. Later on we are going to use yellow color to get the final effect. Yeah. Now you take your yellow color, just observe. Again in the same direction I am going to merge. Let your yellow color go on top of red color. Let there be merging, mixing of colors so as to get a nice effect wherein you will see a kind of orange color in your sun.
Ma'am, I already have one.
Okay. Not everyone have.
Okay.
Now we'll color our tree. Okay. For that, we need 3 colors. Okay, wait, it is looking very small for me from here. Okay. Once we are done with tree, you hold it close, I will see. Okay. Now take out 3 colors. All of you, dark green, light green, and yellow. It could be medium yellow or lemon yellow. Whatever you have in your oil pastel set, take out these 3 colors. Dark green, medium green, and yellow. 3 colors.
Ma'am, my light green is dirty.
Clean it. Whichever color is dirty, you can clean it. So even I will wipe my dark green tip. Okay. Now I'll start with dark green on top. Okay. The top portion will be dark green, then light green, and then yellow. Like that, we will have 3 colors. So first take your dark green, deep green or dark green, whatever, and color carefully, nicely. From the top, you start coloring. Top of your tree. Don't color it till the end. Just the top portion.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. See, only this much portion I have colored it in dark green. Accordingly, depending upon the size of your tree, you decide and color. Till here, next we will take light green. See, my light green, it broke, but still I am using. So you need not have to, have a fresh set of colors always. Now take your light green and now you have to first color it at the place where the dark green is ending, and you just color it like this, like in zigzag manner, up and down, up and down, up and down, like this. Your hand should go up and down, see, up and down, up and down, so that there will be mixing of dark green and light blue, like this.
Not light blue, light green.
Light green only, I told.
Ma'am, you told light blue.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll color
Ma'am,
light green. Wait, color beta. Focus more on coloring. Only little place is left. There we are going to add yellow color.
And mix it.
Yeah, same what we did here. Same zigzag manner. Up and down. We are going to use yellow color first here, so that there is mixing of light green with yellow.
Ma'am, like this.
Okay. Yeah, you should have added little more dark green, I felt, but overall okay. Okay. So my tree has got 3 colors.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we will take 2 colors, that is 2 brown shade. One will be dark brown and other is light brown.
Ma'am, I don't have light brown. What
So you
else should I
check, it
take?
will be a color by name yellow orch. Yellow orch, or any 2 shades of brown. If you don't have 2 shades of brown, you can use black and brown, that way. So in half of the, I'm just showing lightly, I'm drawing like this. On one side, I'll color it using brown. Wait, you also color using brown first, half side.
Ma'am, but I
Like
don't
this.
have light brown.
You use black. Any 2 colors. So I'm using light and dark brown. Those of you who don't have shade of brown, one more shade of brown, you can use black color. Even that will give nice effect. But in that case, very little black you do towards the end.
Okay, ma'am.
So this side I have done. The other side I am using yellow orch again. I'm mixing it first, so that there is mixing of these both color. And then I bring it in the rest all part. See, the beating will get over. You need to rejoin. Okay. Rejoin using the same length. It will end. So all of you do till here. So we will rejoin and we'll draw one nice flower and we'll color it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
For that, you have to get your bowl.
Ma'am, I know how to rejoin. It's very easy.
Yeah. All of you have become expert.
When will the meeting end?
You can all just go out and you can log in again. You can rejoin using the same meeting. link. Okay, I'll end it. Even I will join it. I'll end the meeting. Please rejoin. We'll do one more part, second part of the session.